Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Learning objectives. You will be able to identify the geographical, economical, cultural and arts facts on UAE. Identify the developments and events in the UAE history and the key elements of the UAE community, including Islam and tolerance. UAE facts at a glance. Children, you all know that the United Arab Emirates or the UAE is a country in the Middle East. It is made up of 7 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Dubai, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah and Al Quwain. People from this country are called Emiratis. The capital city of the UAE is Abu Dhabi. The country's official language is Arabic. The religion followed over here is Islam. Children, in your earlier classes you have learned about the currency, national anthem, national symbols, national day and history on UAE. The country is located in the Middle East on the Western Asian continent. It borders Saudi Arabia to the south, Oman to the east and Qatar to the west. The country has mountains in the eastern part and a dry desert with rolling sand dunes. The UAE do not have freshwater lake, but there are several oases in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. Children, now let's talk about the UAE landmarks and attractions. You all know that Dubai is home to the world's highest buildings. Among the most popular landmarks of the UAE are Burj Khalifa, the tallest skyscraper in Dubai, is the highest building in the world, and then there are also the majestic Emirates Towers. Burj Al Arab is also known for its architecture, as a building does resemble a huge sail. Abu Dhabi is also home for holding Formula 1 races and the Ferrari World theme park with the world's fastest roller coaster. The Gold Souk is the largest gold market in the world. Dubai Mall is known to have the world's largest collection of fashion brands under one roof. To learn more about the culture and history of the settlement in a desert oasis, you can visit the fort. The fort was the heart of the tribe. Desert conservation areas will provide fantastic desert safari adventures, complete with camel rides and sand safari. Now let's talk about the economy. You all know that the UAE's natural resources are natural gas and oil. The UAE ranked 6th in the world for reserves of natural gas and crude oil in 2019. National Airline. Etihad Airways is the national airline of the UAE. Definitely, those who have traveled in this will say the service was excellent with a pretty good entertainment. People of the UAE. The vast majority of the Emirati live in urban areas. The biggest cities in the UAE are Dubai, Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. The majority of the people living in the UAE are non-natives, people from around the world who come to the UAE for work. Soccer and cricket are among the most popular sports. People have passion for car racing, falconry and camel racing too. The traditional dresses worn by Emirati men is called kandura, a white long tunic, while women usually wear the abaya, a black garment covering the whole body and head. Tolerance in UAE. Tolerance is one of the core values of the UAE society. Derived from Islam, from the noble Arabian traditions and heritage, and also from the wisdom and legacy of the late founding father Sheikh Saad bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Tolerance is when you accept others who are different in their race, culture, habits, and even belief. Tolerance is being patient, understanding, and accepting of anything different. Children, you know that the UAE Constitution encourages equality, freedom, respect, and indiscrimination. It is human common sense to get to know and accept and live with others without hate and enmity. Allah says, O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you people and tribes that you may know one another. Emirati food is the traditional Arabic food of the United Arab Emirates and shares remarkable similarities with foods from neighboring countries such as Oman and Saudi Arabia. The modern diet of the UAE is multicultural. Currency and banking in the UAE. The United Arab Emirates dirham, also known as the Emirati dirham, is the currency of the United Arab Emirates. The term dirham is officially shortened as AED, while unofficial abbreviations include DH or DHS. The most prominent local banks in UAE are the First Abu Dhabi Bank, Emirates National Bank of Dubai, and Dubai Islamic Bank. Dear students, now you will be doing your assessment related to the topic. Make sure to write your name on the assessment paper. From question number 1 to question number 10, you have to choose the correct answer from the options given below. And from question number 11 to question number 15, you have to write whether the answer is true or false. So take care, stay home, stay safe, save life. All the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.